found out that my big homie is talking to the cops.
In a shocking turn of events, the streets are buzzing as courtroom drama unfolds around Lil Durk and his OTF collective. What seemed like a tight-knit brotherhood is now facing major cracks, with reports surfacing that an OTF member has allegedly turned on the crew, caught on tape cooperating with authorities. For a rapper who's built his legacy on loyalty and street code, this betrayal couldn't come at a worse time.
So are you saying that he made a threat towards Durk? I've been holding you down because I heard you say something about like his baby mama called Durk for a lawyer, and Durk may have like brushed it off, and they're like, yo, you're not supposed to brush off my call when I need something. Like, I'm the guy who does the dirt.
With legal pressure mounting, the timing of this alleged snitching raises serious questions about who can really be trusted behind the scenes. Durk, known for his raw lyrics and rise from Chicago's toughest neighborhoods, has stood by his team through countless challenges. But now, insiders claim one of his own has flipped, potentially jeopardizing ongoing cases and putting the entire OTF brand at risk. Fans are scrambling for answers, while legal experts and rap bloggers alike are dissecting every court detail.
We all thought that was a bad drug deal, weed deal. You know that. The world thought that shooting was a bad weed deal between some Armenians or Persians. That's what the world thought.
These allegations gained traction when a now-deleted world star hip-hop video surfaced, branding Wack 100 as a potential informant. However, the narrative has now shifted. Wack 100 has countered by alleging that Brick Baby is the one who has been feeding federal agents information about Lil Durk and the OTF crew.
In Atlanta.
Well, Wack a snitch. Wack is a cop working. You notice every time something happens in the street, like with the Quando Rondo situation, how do you know so much about a motherfucker? Like, I don't even know that much about that. You talk about he done robbed him and did this. Like, how do you know this unless you getting police reports?
During a podcast appearance with Adam 22, Wack stated that his sources confirmed Brick Baby's cooperation with law enforcement. This accusation gained momentum after an incident months earlier when Brick Baby's residence was reportedly raided by federal agents. Despite being briefly detained and later released with bail assistance from Adam 22, no charges were ever formally filed against him. Wack 100 claims this is evidence of a deal between Brick and federal authorities.
He gave you 50, bro. You know what I'm saying? Fact.
More than that. More than that.
But so, can you tell us how much he gave you, or you don't want to even?
No, we ain't got to get into all that, but bro made sure he made a way for me.
Lil Durk himself made statements during an interview with DJ Academics that echoed Brick Baby's earlier remarks. When asked about fans telling him to slide for Vaughn, Durk appeared to suggest there was a specific reason those online calls for retaliation had been scrubbed from the internet, a possible indication of deeper concerns behind the scenes.
Durk come through one time, that's sure. I don't give no nobody say like, I know I'm a real witness. Like,
a lot of niggas can't say he ain't seen the tricks.
I'm like my whole time in jail.
One comment noted the inconsistency, saying a Crip gang member caught with a firearm at home and then seen on a podcast discussing sensitive matters, followed by the arrest of Lil Durk and his crew, appeared too coincidental. The situation escalated when Wack 100 added more fuel to the fire. He claimed that the federal interest in Brick Baby's phone stemmed from suspicions that he had been in contact with OTF members on the day of a high-profile shooting, possibly helping track or confirm Quando Rondo's location. Wack alleged that after the incident, federal agents warned Quando Rondo that the attack may have been orchestrated by individuals within his own gang, the Rolling 60s Crips. Both Brick Baby and Quando Rondo are reportedly linked to that same group. According to this theory, when Quando arrived in Atlanta, he checked in with local affiliates for protection, but those same connections may have played a role in his vulnerability.
How do you react to the narrative that Wack has been consistently putting out there, which is basically him saying that Brick maybe must be cooperating or compromised in some way because you allegedly got arrested by the feds and there's no charges? So what do you say when you see him saying that?
Now, with multiple accusations flying across social media and more documents expected to surface, many are waiting to see how deep this situation goes and whether more names will soon be implicated. Reports continue to emerge surrounding OTF Jam, who is now at the center of multiple rumors related to the federal investigation involving OTF. According to street sources, Jam was recently charged with weapons possession and was potentially facing another extended prison sentence. However, complications arose when it was revealed that he allegedly received no legal or financial assistance from within his circle. According to claims made by media commentator DJ Academics, Jam was reportedly upset over the lack of support and subsequently agreed to cooperate with federal authorities. While this remains unconfirmed, the speculation intensified following a string of developments tied to ongoing investigations. The victim was transported to Christ Hospital, but later succumbed to her injuries. The investigation prompted involvement from the U.S. Postal Inspection Service, which offered a $250,000 reward for information leading to an arrest. After months of tracing vehicle movements and analyzing footage, authorities arrested the suspect in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. While no public link has been established between the shooting and OTF-related allegations, some theories suggest that Redmond's killing may have been a retaliatory message targeting an individual affiliated with federal cooperation. Further complicating the matter, commentator DJ Vlad has claimed that official court filings point to multiple unnamed individuals involved in the broader OTF case. According to Vlad's breakdown of the indictment documents, 3 unnamed co-conspirators are referenced. One reportedly acted as a shooter, another allegedly booked travel for individuals involved, and the third may have provided information on a rival's location in Los Angeles. These redacted identities suggest there may be more cooperation occurring behind the scenes than previously known. Notably, OTF Jam is not directly named in the indictment, which has led to speculation that either he is acting under sealed cooperation or that his involvement has been overstated by rumor. As the case continues to evolve, more details are expected to surface regarding the individuals cooperating with federal agents and the circumstances behind their decisions. As the legal proceedings surrounding OTF continue to unfold, new developments have sparked both support and skepticism across social media. A post surfaced claiming a recent phone call took place with Lil Durk from inside federal custody. The message, captioned with a statement about unity and resilience, read, "Just got off the phone with my brother. In good spirits, staying positive and fighting to get back home to his kids and family. We're not glorifying negativity. We're more than just street guys." That's actually an understatement. We're men of honor and code, no matter our financial status. Bro hit the main line with the rest of our kind. No protective custody. The account posting the message, tied to a figure known as 900 Bra Bra, has long hinted at associations with the OTF label. Photos with Booker 600, Bonnie Mo, and Lil Durk himself, as well as collaborative features, have furthered claims of affiliation. However, with no official confirmation regarding the call, public reactions remain divided. This isn't the only instance in which Lil Durk has allegedly made contact since his arrest. In a recent release from artist Hypno Carlito titled "Where Smirk Go," a voice that appears to be Durk's is heard in the intro. The call, reportedly recorded from federal custody, features the speaker reaffirming loyalty to Carlito and paying homage to fallen members. Hypno Carlito, my brother from another, forever legend. Off then, I take your streets over. You know what time it is. Rest in peace. As court dates approach, attention is shifting toward uncovering the full scope of cooperation within the OTF circle. What remains certain is that the coming weeks will bring clarity and likely more revelations about who remains loyal and who does not. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. And if you want to dive deeper into what's unfolding in this case, check out the next video by clicking one of the boxes on your screen now.